Hello everyone, welcome to Brillbook. In this video, we will have a look at an opportunity management and quote management. We will cover the following topics in this video. Creation of opportunity and opportunity lines, creation of quote and quote lines against opportunity, approval of quote and status of opportunity based on approved quote. To start with this video, we will be creating an opportunity record. To create an opportunity record, first we need to log into the Brillbook. Here I have already logged into the Brillbook with sales user. The sales user is the user who having access to create an opportunity record and quote record. To create an opportunity, navigate to the sales menu group, expand the sales menu group and click on opportunities menu. Here you can see the list page of opportunity. With the help of create button, we will create an opportunity record. Here you can see the create page of opportunity. Now I am going to add the details to the required and mandatory field of this opportunity record. Now I am going to add the opportunity name as opportunity for ball valve. Select an existing account. Select contact. Here you can change the currency from Indian rupee to euro, pound sterling and US dollar as per your requirement. Select price list as per the selected currency. After successfully add the details to the opportunity record, click on save button to save this record. Here you can see the detail page of opportunity record having items tab besides the details tab. Click on items tab. Here you can see the opportunities line grid. With the help of create button, we will create an opportunity line record. Here you can see the opportunities line create page. Now I am going to add the details to the required and mandatory field of this form. Select product category as valve. Select product as ball valve. Add quantity. For this opportunity line, you can add the discount. For that, first you need to select discount type as percentage and amount. If you select percentage, the discount percentage field get appear below the discount type. If you select amount as a discount type, then amount field get appear below the discount type field. Here I am going to add the discount in amount as 150 rupees. For this opportunity line, you can select tax from this drop down. After successfully add the details to the opportunity line record, click on save and close button. It will help to save the opportunity line record and we will redirect to the opportunities detail page. After successfully create an opportunity line record, we step forward to creation of quote record. To create a quote record for against that opportunity, click on quotes tab besides the items tab and click on create button to create the quote record. Here you can see the quotes create page having quote name, account, contact, opportunity data already get mapped from opportunities record. Now I am going to add the billing address from this drop down. Select expiry date and click on save button to save this record. Here you can see the quotes detail page having items tab besides the pricing tab. Click on items tab. Here you can see ball is created as a quote line from opportunity line. After successfully created a quote and quote line record, we will navigate back to the opportunity record from this hyperlink present in opportunity field. Click on that hyperlink. After successfully created quote and quote line against the opportunity record, now I am going to change the status of this opportunity as in progress and click on save button to save this record. After opportunity marked as in progress, we step forward to approve the quote. To approve the quote record, first we need to submit the quote record. For that, click on quotes tab and open the quote record. Now I am going to submit this quote record. For submit the quote record, navigate to the ellipse button, click on approval and click on submit button to submit this record. Here you can see the quote status get changed from draft to submitted. After that, now I am going to approve this quote record. For that, navigate to the ellipse button, click on approval and click on approve button. Add actual close date and click on submit button. Here you can see the quote status get changed from submitted to approved. After successfully approve the quote, we navigate back to the opportunity record from this hyperlink. Here we on the detailed page of opportunity record. To check the quote status as approved, click on quotes tab and change the query as approved quotes. Here you can see the approved quote record against that opportunity. After approve the quote against that opportunity, mark the opportunity as won. For that, change the status as won. Click on OK. Add actual revenue as 13,050 rupees. Add actual close date and click on Save button. Here you can see the opportunities record get read only and status is marked as won for this opportunity. In this video, we had an overview for complete opportunity management, starting from opportunity creation, quote creation against opportunity, and completion of opportunity. Thank you.